Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make an amazing mushroom and sausage pasta. It's going to be fun, so stick around. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an amazing sausage and mushroom pasta. The ingredients that I'm going to be using today are salt, pepper, chicken stock, garlic, thyme, parsley, butter, some nice spaghetti noodles, a little bit of lemon juice, Parmesan, sausage of your choice, but today I just went with hot Italian pork sausages, and some cremini mushrooms. Alright, so first we're going to start by taking the skin off the sausage. So what we do is just cut along there. Just peel off the skin. There we go, skinless sausage. Let's put that aside for now. So now we're just gonna cut some mushrooms up. You could cut these however you want, but I just like to go straight across. And some people like to take the stem off, but I just prefer to leave them on. Just gonna go straight across. And I feel like these look the best in pasta. And there you have it. Just gonna put these in a bowl for now. Let's put them to the side. Okay. Next, we're just gonna peel and chop up some garlic. And how I like to peel my garlic is you just get your knife, give it a crush, and it basically peels itself. Just like that. I'm using 3 cloves, but if you don't like garlic, you could use less, or if you want more, you could always use more. Alright, now since we got our garlic peeled, we're just gonna give them a quick mince. Go this way. Let's go one more time. Let's put this to the side. Alright, now we're just going to take some leaves off the thyme sprig. The way you do that, you just take off a sprig and you just kind of pull it off. Just again, you don't need too much, you just kind of flavor booster. You just kind of strip it off, place it into the bowl. Alright, that's it. Alright, and next we're just gonna grate some cheese. Gonna get our cheese on our microplane. I'm just gonna start grating. I think I'm about to put about half a cup, but if you like more cheese, you could put more cheese. If you want less, you could always put less. Or no cheese at all, yeah. Cheese. Now that we got all our ingredients ready, we're gonna start cooking. Alright, now we're just gonna get our water boiling. Don't forget to salt your pasta water. Very important. Right, now once your water starts boiling, you could put in your pasta. I'm a bit hungry right now, so I'm gonna go a little bit more than one portion. Usually, I'll use about that much for one portion. I'm just gonna go a little bit more. About that much. It's gonna be about 1.5. Unless you're using a really big pot where the pasta just fits in real nice. The good way to do it is grab it in the middle on the top, give it a twist, place it in the middle, and everything just falls down. So I'm gonna get your tongs, stir it in a little bit so all the noodles get in there. You don't want to force it in or you're gonna break it. So be gentle with it. Now we're just gonna let the pasta cook. You don't want to put the lid on it because it's gonna boil over. You don't want that. And it's gonna take about 8 minutes for it to be al dente. While we're letting the pasta cook, we're gonna start cooking our sausages and the mushrooms. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we're gonna get our pan. And we want it to get pretty hot, so we're just gonna put the fire on. I'm just gonna get some oil. Just a little bit because the sausage does give out a lot of fat. Good way to tell if your pan is hot or not is if you move it and you see these ripples right here. That means it's good and hot. So first I'm gonna put in my sausage. You want to make sure you break it up. You don't want to break it up too much because we do want little bits of sausages in the pasta. You don't want it to be ground meat. Put a little bit more oil in there. Give it some nice color. And it's perfectly okay if you see it stick to the pan because we are going to deglaze it later with chicken stock. Once you feel like you have enough color on your meat, you could add your garlic. You give it a quick saute. You don't want to cook your garlic all the way, you just want it to sweat it, just until you could really smell the fragrance of the garlic. Okay, and once your garlic is all sweated out, you could add our thyme in. Just wanna give that a quick saute just like your garlic until you can smell it a little bit. And I wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells so fantastic. Getting hungrier by the second. Now that your sausage is all cooked, you're gonna put in your mushrooms. I like a lot of mushrooms in my pasta. You could put less if you want. Now that your mushrooms all cooked, we're going to deglaze with a bit of chicken stock. And what this does is just lifts all that fond off the bottom of the pan. This is where all the flavor comes from. Quick toss. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, and now that this is all done, your pasta should be done by now. So we're going to put in our pasta. Now you always want to make sure that you conserve a little bit of pasta water, so you could put it on at the end if you think it's a bit too thick. Now that our pasta's in, we give it a little bit of a seasoning, just some salt and some pepper. Quick toss. Now we're gonna add our cheese and some butter. I want to make sure that butter gets incorporated. It's going to be a really nice buttery sauce. Okay, once your cheese and butter is almost all incorporated, put in some pasta water that we saved from earlier, just to make it a really nice and thick sauce. Turn the fire off. I'm just gonna add a little bit of lemon juice just to brighten everything up a little bit. It is a pretty heavy and fatty dish, so a little lemon juice will really make everything brighten up. Now that the pasta's done, all we have left to do is just to plate it and to eat it. The way you're gonna do that, grab the pasta, just go to the middle of the plate and give it a twirl. You want to make sure you have as much height as possible. I'm gonna put the mushroom and the sausage in there. One last time with the noodles. Make sure you get all that good sauce in there. Now we're just gonna finish it with some freshly grated Parmesan. And garnish it with some parsley. And there you have it, sausage and mushroom pasta. Alright, so now time to eat it.